Hi, I'm Daniella. I'm an everyday wig wearer. I am a salon owner. I own a salon called the Wig Trend in Texas. And today I'm going to show you a really quick way how to create maybe like a poolside look. This is one of our wigs from René Paris. This is Angelica. This is a lace front. So here, if you wanted to pull this back, it has a very natural look. Today I'm going to wear like a soft bang. If you want to know more about these pieces, go to reneaparis.com. Always remember to subscribe, hit the notification button so you can see additional tutorials like the one I'm about to show you. So let's get started. I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to work it. Okay, so I'm going to just take it, and again I'm just creating a really fun loose braid. And this is just a nice way, if I'm going to be poolside, to keep the hair looking great and not whipping around in the wind, because we know if it whips in the wind a lot, it wears the fiber, which is going to cut the lifespan of your wig. So this is just a basic ponytail tie. And what I'm going to do here is I found these really cute little fun accessories. And don't forget, ladies, you can always wear accessories with your wigs. As long as you don't apply heat of any type to your wigs, you're not going to damage them. And I hear a lot of times, you know, women feel like if you're working with different hair accessories, that you're going to damage the fiber, and you're not going to. The only thing that damages synthetic fiber is going to be direct heat or direct heat from like an implement, a curling iron, flat iron, something like that. Okay, so see how nice this looks just as is? This is just a nice soft braid, and it looks really, really nice without accessories. But today, just because I want to have a little fun, I'm going to show you, these are just regular accessories. And after years of wearing wigs, I've learned that these little claw clips, they look like little alligator clips, are the easiest. There's like little combs that you have to clamp shut, and I've noticed that when you're taking those out of a wig, you really work the fiber. So again, I'm just showing you. This is just a little clip. There's multitudes of styles, stones, different patterns, but I just thought these would be fun for the outfit I'll be wearing later. And as you can see, I'm just opening it, and I'm gonna place it directly on the hair. I'm going to use one to cover this little band. So that was just a few seconds. Nice poolside hair, easy to do, and this is just one of the wigs that I already have in my collection. Feel confident to play with your pieces, and again, if you need additional information, go to reneaparis.com and look at all our fabulous styles. Thank you for watching.